that after studying it in that 2007, 2008, I find out some quranic references. And hadiths also explain it. Some hadiths, even Sahih hadiths, which are strong hadiths, that all Muslims will taste hell. They will pass through hell before they get to paradise. And I, being a Christian, I look at it that how can I have an offer that says go to paradise directly without fire, and one say you have to go through fire and after that you go to paradise? Even some hadith even says that the prophet.
I heard your question. I got your question. Okay. Is there a question?
Just a last one to that question. That some hadith even shows that the prophet himself says in some places that even him, when everybody is born in the fire of hell, it remains the mark of worship, and Allah will shovel some people out of it. And even him is not sure if he will be among those who will be shoveled out, and same water will pour on it. So
I heard your question. I understood very clearly.
Okay.
Finish. You have too long. You want to give a speech here?
No.
I understood your question 100%.
So I should.
Yes, I want to answer it now.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The brother said that, and I'll repeat your question in short.
Thank you.
The brother said in 2008, he was going to become Muslim, but he read the Quran. And the Quran says, all the Muslims will first go to hell. After hell, then they will go to heaven. And even the Prophet himself will first go to hell. Brother, this is the Quran. Where does it say this? You are telling all nonsense.
Okay, can I quote the reference?
Listen.
I have the reference, sir.
Okay, give the reference.
Okay, first of all, you have it in
give
Quran.
The reference. Give the reference where it says all Muslims will go to hell first. Where does it say?
Okay.
I have read the Quran 100 times, more than 100 times.
You may not hear it in that same word, but I'll quote it.
Give
Quran
me
chapter
the reference.
19.
Give me the reference.
Surah to Maryam.
Sorry, Surah Maryam, chapter number 19. Yes.
Verse number 68 to 72.
68, okay.
And there's another reference also, but we'll start with that.
Where does it say?
Okay.
Where does it say all Muslims will be put to hell?
71. If you can read it, and I can read from here, or anybody can bring an English Quran, we can read it. 68 to 71. If anybody I have the Quran on my phone, but if you want them to bring a physical Quran with English, I can come and read
No, I'm English, Arabic. I've got both Arabic and English both.
Yes, that's
so
what I'm saying.
If there's a mistake,
71.
I can check up in Arabic. Where does 71 say Muslim will go to hell?
Okay, can you read it, or I should read it from here? So that we can...
No, where's the word Muslim mentioned here? For show me. Which ayah mentions Muslim? It is talking about somebody else. It's talking about the evil one who will go to hell first. Where does it say Muslims?
Okay, let me read. If that's not convincing, let me read.
Tell me which verse says Muslim.
Yes, let me read it. Let me read it out.
Okay, tell me verse number.
Okay, good. Let me read it out.
Verse number which?
Let me check and read
Which verse are you reading? I want to know.
71, 72.
In 71, 72, the word Muslim doesn't exist.
Okay,
read.
Now, then let me read from 6. That's why I quote, my reference is from 68.
Okay, 68 also doesn't quote.
Oh, yeah, let me read.
68 doesn't say Muslim anywhere.
Let me read. Even I can read from anywhere, any place. Okay, from 66.
Okay.
And man says, 66 now.
Okay.
Can it be that when I am dead, I will be brought alive? Does man not remember that when created him, earlier when he was nothing?
Correct.
But your Lord, we will surely aid them and the devil.
And
the devil.
Repeat, devil.
Yes.
Devil.
Yes.
So Allah is talking about devils now.
And the devil.
Yes.
Then we will surely bring them around hell on their knees.
Correct.
Then out of every set, we will surely snatch those most defiant to the all-merciful.
No, read correctly. You are reading half. Read correctly again that verse.
This is from my own.
Then read 68 again.
No, okay, I'm reading 69 now. I've read 68 before. 68 says,
Lord.
Okay, sorry. But your Lord will surely aid them and the devil.
Devil, yes.
Yes. Then we will surely bring them around hell on their knees.
Okay.
And I continue.
69.
Then out of every set, we will surely snatch those most defiant to the all-merciful.
Correct. All those who are against Allah.
Yes.
So it's not talking about Muslims.
We are
It's
still
talking
reading.
about those who are against Allah.
We have not finished, sir. We have not finished,
No,
sir.
read the full verse correctly. Read 69. Then
70.
shall we certainly
70.
drag out from every sect all those who were versed in obstinate rebellions against Allah, most gracious.
Yes, I
So
said
this verse is
72.
talking about those who
I
are
didn't stop
Allah most gracious,
I didn't
not
stop at
about
69.
Muslims.
No, let me continue. Let me read the Quran first
But
before you
for-
give an explanation. Let me read the
So
Quran.
do you understand talking about those who are against Allah?
Sheikh Zakir Naik, let me read the Quran. Al-Quran. This is the Al-Quran. Let me
Correct,
read
Al-Quran.
it completely
Yes,
first
yes.
before you give explanation. So, 70. 70 says, then we surely know better of those who are most deserving to roast in it.
Okay.
But every single one of
That-
you is born to approach it. This has been a decree, unavoidable decree of your Lord. Then we will deliver those who were mindful of God and live unjust on their nails. So
Very good.
if you can read that even in your own English,
I'm
you will see
reading.
that it will
I'm reading in Arabic also
No.
and English also.
Read
Nowhere
it
does
out.
it say Muslim.
Okay.
It's talking about the devil and those who are followers of the devil who are enemies of Islam. Correct.
That's why I
Where
said
does
read
it say Muslim? In
Read
the
it.
full Arabic text, there is no Muslim.
Okay,
In the
number-
English text, there is no Muslim.
Okay.
Why are
The
you
Sahih-
trying to fool the people?
No, sir. The Hadith explain it better. We said if you did not get it, I can give another Quranic verse.
I'm not getting it. I can understand even in your language. Nowhere is the word Muslim mentioned. Even in your English language, it's talking about the devil and those who are obstinate against the most gracious Allah.
Okay.
So Allah will bring them and put them in hell. What is the
Now,
problem?
But why did he say that?
Please don't waste people's time. You
No, sir.
read, you took so much time. I gave you time. You,
No,
are quoting the
read
Quran.
it. You can read it from your translation.
Even what you read, the word Muslim is not there.
It doesn't have to be Muslim. It's saying all
Of
sects.
course it should.
What- it's saying
All
that
sects of
all
the devil.
people. It's talking
All
about
sects
you,
of
all
the devil.
human being. And also the hadith. Okay, let me read the hadith so that it can be clearer. And another Quranic verse that make it clear. Another Quranic verse, Quran chapter 3, verse 185. Quran chapter 3, verse 185. Also make it
I know
clear.
3:185 says, Allah will not accept any religion except Islam. All those who follow any other religion, they shall be put into hell.
Now, from here, I want to read it. I want to just read it.
I'm telling you.
And we'll just read the hadith to confirm it.
It
Just
doesn't
read
say Muslims. It is talking about those who are against Allah. Anyone who desires a religion other than Allah, it will never be accepted of him. Kullu nafsin zaiqatul maut. Every soul shall have a taste of death.
I'm reading here, then we read
Brother,
the hadith.
now brother, you are close to accepting Islam. I think it's a story. It's a story. It's a story because you wanted to misguide the people. Brother, what's your name? Brother, what's your name?
My name is Benson.
Benson.
Yes.
Benson.
Yes.
Brother Benson, I doubt whether you wanted to accept Islam in 2008.
I want to. My
Very
best
good.
friend, let me give you a narration about it. My best friend, who is a Muslim, I'm a Christian, we share everything in common. It's the one that we discovered that the only thing we didn't share in
But
common.
now, do you know you made a mistake? Your friend may not be an expert in the Quran, correct?
My friend is a Christian today. 2012, he has become a Christian. And he's an afar.
Your friend, according, that's the reason your friend that told you doesn't know the Quran, and you misguided him.
No.
So you
he reads it
misguided,
himself.
instead of him taking you to Islam, you took him from the right path to the wrong path. I told you first, your friend doesn't know the Quran, you misguided him. And now you're trying to misguide us also. Correct?
No,
So
sir.
if you told your friend, I want to become Muslim, I'll show you the Quran. Now Quran says you'll go to hell. Now become a Christian, he became a Christian. Because he doesn't know the Quran. Brother, I'm talking to you, you're looking inside.
Okay, I want to just read it.
I'm
that's why.
talking to you, you're looking inside.
Okay, no,
What
I'm
is
listening
it?
to you, sir.
Brother, you quoted 2 verses. Both the verses don't talk about Muslims in hell. Why are you wasting your time?
Do you want to?
You have to agree you made a mistake. Say sorry and let us give a chance to her, please.
Okay, sir.
If you make a mistake,
is
say
that
sorry at
hadith-
least.
No,
say
is
at
that
least
hadith-
sorry.
No.
Say sorry, I made a mistake.
No, I didn't make any mistake.
Okay, then you don't accept your mistake, then you're a liar according to me.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.